Very warm welcome to everyone watching this Siberian Health TV video. My name is Yuri Gichev and I'm the Scientific Director of Siberian Health International. In this video series, I'm going to share with you some facts about our brand new product, the Renew Clean Triple Set. As its very name implies, it is designed for comprehensive cleansing and detoxification of the body. And indeed, the Renew Clean Triple Set represents a new three-dimensional approach to whole body support, maintenance and health via cleansing and protection of our cells against environmental pressures. Environmental pollution, unhealthy diet, tobacco smoking, alcohol intake, stress and illnesses impose a heavy burden on our bodies and a fragile cell environment. Hereby here, toxic chemicals and poisons in the environment diminish capacities of our cells and contribute to premature aging and can lead to poor health. The Renew Clean Triple Set helps to fight contamination and deterioration of our cells and thus helps to improve our overall health. To do it well, the Renew Clean Triple Set uses a completely new three-dimensional approach, as it is now recommended by experts in ecology, a new science which studies sophisticated mechanisms of natural cleansing of our cells and the entire body. This new product consists of 3 herbal and antioxidant formulas, which were specially developed to support the body's natural detoxifying functions and systems and thus to maintain overall health. This three-dimensional approach to the complete cellular detoxification implies extracellular cleansing, intracellular cleansing, and antioxidant cellular protection. The first formula of the Renew Clean Triple Set encourages the natural detoxifying functions of the intestines, kidneys, lungs, and the immune system, which contribute to the outer cellular defense. The herbal ingredients of this formula stimulate the flow of the fluid that surrounds each cell and by this flushing remove all toxins that contaminate space between cells. After such treatment, all these wastes easily leave our bodies through intestines, kidneys and lungs. The second formula of the Renew Clean Triple Set helps to maintain the natural antitoxic activity of our cells, or to say in other words, the inner cellular defense. It boosts the activity of special intracellular enzymes that break down the most harmful toxins and poisons in our body. The third formula of the Renew Clean Triple Set provides a good source of antioxidants and protects our cells from the constant threat of free radicals. More than 25 various natural antioxidants promote the body's ability to resist environmental stresses and maintain overall well-being. And you can get more detailed information about the antioxidants and the third formula of the Renew Clean Triple Set in one of the previous Siberian Health TV videos. It is very important to emphasize that although the Renew Clean Triple Set is a brand new product itself, it has nevertheless a very long history. The very first commercial product which used this ecological approach was launched in the end of 1970s. Since the end of 1990s, the new version of this product began to be sold under the Siberian Health brand. And since 2014, we are launching the newest edition of this legendary product, the Renew Clean Triple Set. It will be sold together with the former version as a more efficient and advanced choice, because the Renew Clean Triple Set contains plant ingredients solely in the form of highly efficient, standardized extracts, and what's more important, it can boast with much richer formulas. On a package of the Renew Clean Triple Set, you will notice a logotype of our charitable foundation. Since several years now, Siberian Health supports the activities of the international charity The World Around You, aimed at the protection of Lake Baikal and other unique Siberian nature sites, where many of the wild plants for our products are gathered. In the next video series, you will learn about other Siberian Health products, as well as some new and very interesting facts about your body, nutrition, and lifestyle. So don't forget to join us on Siberian Health TV.